Hello everyone, welcome to the Denon Professional booth here at InfoComm. This here that you're seeing me wearing is a part of the Audio Commander Portable PA Kit. So this is a 200 watt portable PA with lots of features. It has SD card, USB, it plays content from an auxiliary in, it has a Bluetooth connectivity, and it comes with two wireless receivers. One is for this microphone that I'm wearing right now, which comes with a belt pack, as you can see here. So it's very useful for your next, maybe your outdoors activities, your yoga lessons or something else. But on these two convenient cabinets here, you can store another microphone. So this is also a Denon Professional handheld microphone. You can have also your Audio Commander being transported easily within this luggage handle and some wheels. It has also a pole mount, so if you want to put it on a stand, and you can take it everywhere. So this is the Audio Commander brought by Denon Professional. For more information, visit denonprofessional.com. Thank you.